Oh yeah, the Fiesta ST. Look at this. First things first, I gotta say.
Whoa. Let me
Bald
see.
tires. Bald tires.
Okay, alright. Yeah, these bald tires are gonna be coming off soon. These wheels I'm gonna keep for the winter. This is my 2014 Fiesta ST that we've been talking about. Never really showed. You will be seeing it soon though. I have a
They're seeing it now.
3-inch Catless downpipe,
Nice.
followed by a Catback Mbrp exhaust, which you can see here. We'll show you some videos of that then. I have a Boomba racing blow-off valve adapter. Show them the inside of my dirty car and they can see my weighted blue
Hey, wait.
ST.
Are you a Subaru driver?
Shut up, Cody. That's my knob from Billet Work. But everybody seems to think this car's red and it's not. Start it up for him, Tristan. Give us a few revs. Wow, I've never actually heard it from the back here. I like it.
Tristan.
Oh, and I have, so on my stage 1, I got an access port, stage 1.
Hey, she's not bad, neither is a dog.
Cobb Tune.
Hey, she's not bad, neither is a dog.
Cobb Tune. As of right now, that's about it.
I don't know.
I'm always in the way. That's why he has bald tires.
Bald tire squad.
Yeah. Oh, shit. That's awesome.
Save it.
Watch it.
I think it's banging. Gunshots. Gang, gang. I was gonna say, where the heck did he go?
Fired up. Dude, that was awesome. You left a huge smoke cloud. Yeah.
Burnouts for days.
Did I really
That's
leave
a
huge
wrap.
smoke cloud?
Yeah.